quite comfortable. Room was good enough, especially for value of money. Staff were very helpful and very friendly. Facilities were small, only 4 toilets and 4 showers, all unisex, but had no problems with this. Bar attached to the hostel was great and their food was absolutely amazing.
I got money stolen in my room in the last day of my stay. I don't know if I should mention this because it's partly my fault, as I should hide it better, but still it was very disappointing that somebody took my wallet, stole the cash and put wallet back in my pocket.
Price wasn't high, the rooms were very clean, bathrooms were extra clean, and I've seen SBD cleaning them almost all day long. I'd say that it's quiet place. On Friday there was some party in the bar, but it didn't bother me. Bed was comfortable, sheets were clean, and they looked great in general.
On the weekend the music in the pub downstairs was so loud that nobody could sleep. There are cages where you can store your suitcase and lock it. One evening when I came back, my cage was in another room. I just had a key for my own room. I was lucky that I had a friend staying in the other one.
Some females uses their personal life to disturb others, forgetting the fact that it is a hostel. You might want to read in the evening or at night, but a woman could command you to switch off the lights. Neither can you receive calls freely in a female room. Guys are more reasonable than some women.
Put to it some new vinyl. More windows open, or some fans would help with the dampy air around the hallways in between the rooms sometimes. Smells a bit odd because of that. I'm happy we weren't in one of the rooms directly next to the showers.